Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be eating noodles. These are beef noodles, beef flavored noodles, some cucumbers with vinegar, garlic, and black peppers, and we got these delicious pot stickers. So let's get it in. I am going to pour some soy sauce on my pot stickers. Yum. And some chili paste for the pot stickers on the side. A little spice. Alright, I'm going to start with the pot stickers. So good. Alright, let's try these noodles. Woo! They're really, really good. Alright, cucumber. More noodles. Woo. Oh, food. Food makes me happy. You like my fig tree? It's a mini fig tree right now, but waiting for it to grow. Need to figure out how to repot it, put it in a bigger pot. So that's a weekend project. These noodles are so good. Especially with these pot stickers. That spice. Alright. I love cucumbers with vinegar. Just a little bit of garlic and black peppers. And I put it in I cut up my cucumbers like this. And I'll put it like in a like Tupperware. I'll put the vinegar, the crushed garlic, the black pepper, and then these cut up cucumbers in the Tupperware. Close the Tupperware, and then shake it. Kind of let it marinate, get all the juices soaked in, and it is so good, y'all. But I know some people don't like that. Like the vinegar taste. It's really strong, but I love it. struggling to get this cucumber. Come on, cucumber. Okay, there you go. Got a little bit of chili sauce. I need a little bit more chili sauce. I really love this chili sauce. Asian market chili sauce is bomb. Such a simple meal. Just ramen noodles, cucumbers, and Potstickers. And it's really easy to make. Probably takes like 10 minutes to make all of this. And I love noodles. Like, I grew up eating noodles. I'll have two more. Okay, these cucumbers are hard to pick up with my chopsticks. I might just use my hands. Oop. There you go. Get all that sauce. All right. Okay. I'm gonna use my hands. So good. My water. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. Especially in this wild, crazy environment where we have right now. Yes. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy. Wash your hands. Okay. Almost done. Oh, so good. Get the rest of this sauce with my noodles. Ooh. Alright, last pieces. So good. Whew. I love the spice. Get all that sauce. Alright. I'm gonna use my fingers. Mmm. Mm. Last bite. Last bite. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mm. Whew. That was such a good meal. Super, super easy to make. Super fast. Less than 10 minutes. The noodles super fast. You just boil them, put the seasoning packet, add a little bit of soy sauce. Again, the cucumbers with the vinegar, garlic, and black peppers is super fast. And those pot stickers, I got them from Trader Joe's. And you just fry them up, steam them, and then fry them up. So, so good. And that's an easy 10-minute dinner. If you liked what you see today, or if you like what you saw today, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and hit subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.